Good evening, my dear friend. Today we will discuss data consolidation. So, data consolidation means when we add our data in summarized way, or we can just say like when we add the data which is more than two, so we can say it's consolidation in layman language. So, if you want to check the full definition, so here is data consolidate summarizing data from the separate range, consolidate the result in a single output range. So today we will discuss this topic, data consolidation. So firstly, we have a we have a normal option here. How can we do these things? Firstly, copy this thing and then copy the this one. So heading already here, so now we can copy the data in column. Then what we have, we normally do these things, sum. We always use sum when we want to consolidate our data. So here we can click plus, then we set the range in from different sheet, and then enter. After that we just copy the data here, so we get the information. If the seat is 2 3 4 5, so it's that time is some this function, some function is enough and good, but the data is more than 15 20 25, so that time doing sum is very difficult. So that time we can use another function is data consolidation. So how data consolidation is work, let's take an example. Here we have to go in data section, data, and then we have to go in data tools, then data consolidation. So here is data consolidation. uh, okay, let's remove the previous range, and then here. Now what we have to do, we have to just go with the first sheet. Okay, here, and select the first sheet, just add, and then come here. No need to add anything, it automatically show. Add again, 30, add again. Now what we want in summary sheet, we want the left data is same, then click on left column and just okay, we get the information here. But what the difference is, in this cell we just get the total answer, but we want the link. So how we can get the link, like from the first sheet, second sheet, third sheet. So here again you have to come here, and we click on the create link to the source data. When we click this one, so here you can see the changes. Okay, that's like the range, and okay, and this is the total of the first seat, second seat, third seat, but we want to check the first seat, second seat, and third seat amount. So we just click on the plus sign here, first seat, second seat, third seat. So this is the main function of this one. Thank you so much, my dear friend, and tomorrow we will discuss another topic. And tomorrow is the last day of learning Excel on daily basis. So I try to make videos on weekly basis after 30th day. Thank you so much, my dear friend, have a good day.